Hello dear friends, my name is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem and welcome to you all in my channel. After Google Scholar, ResearchGate is another important scholarly profile. It is very essential to show your publications and research in online platform. So, in this video, I would like to show you how to create a ResearchGate profile and add your research systematically. For example, I have created my ResearchGate profile and here is an overview and then research, then experience tags for following saved list. So now I will show you how to create this profile. Well, in order to create this profile, I need to log out this profile and enter a different email address. For example, I add this and enter my password. Then login. See, this email address entered is incorrect. That means this email address has got no ResearchGate profile. So I need to sign up it. So here is the page. Now you can click join for free. Then click academic or student. So then you can name your institution. For example, I name it University of Science and Technology of Bangladesh, and for example, department. Then click continue. So then name this one. Then your institutional email address is this. That is my institutional email. Then make your password. For example, I make it. Then click I agree. Terms of service, then continue. So my account has been created. Then you can skip this, or you can add your article. So skip this stage. Skip this stage. Now at this stage. So then select your discipline, for example chemistry, and then environmental chemistry. Add this, and then material chemistry. Okay, then click continue. Then you can add your skills. For example, my skill involves adsorption, surface adsorption, kinetics. Then click continue. Now you can add your picture, or you can skip this. So it is saying that please check your email to activate your account. You have sent to this. So your account has been created. So now check it in my account. This one. Here is my account. So here is the account from ResearchGate, and click it here, then confirm email address. So follow this stage and continue. So now click your profile. So see, your profile has been created. Now you can add new research by clicking here. For example, published research, previewed, conference paper, presentation, poster, data, and others. So this is how you can easily create a ResearchGate profile. Thanks for watching.